Hello guys, we're gonna review this is CJ's Mina Brothers. Today we're gonna review a Bandai Tamashii Nations Golden King Ghidorah. This is really cool, articulated. It's color paint application. They don't paint this anything paint. This is metal but they don't paint it. I saw a Bandai Tamashii Nations like this and another like this. And this is really cool heads with three-headed dragon because he's an alien. Alien come to outer space and become a robot. See, there's a metal. See you guys today. Goodbye. Goodbye.